Hi everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and this is your full butt workout to help lift and sculpt your butt. We are marching in sport right now, just our warm-up so that we heat up our body, preparing the heart, the muscles and the general body for the workout, a very important part of our workout. We shall be marching for about a minute and we are going to be doing 7 good moves that will help you lift and sculpt your body. So just continue marching in sport with me. You won't need any equipment for this workout, just a mat and some water to keep hydrated. So feel free to take a break anytime during the workout and drink that water. And we are going to begin with a forward and reverse lunge, and we are going to be beginning straight away. So get into position. So we shall be lunging forward, back and then reverse. Yeah, lunge forward, back and then reverse. Yeah, forward, back, reverse. We want to do about 10 of these per leg. Forward, back and back, forward, back and lunge back and lunge back. Come it towards the spine, keep breathing. Let's do just 2 more and back and relax it out. Moving on to the next leg, that is the left leg. You want to lunge forward and back and then lunge back. Yeah, so lunge forward, back and lunge back. Come it towards the spine, keep breathing, lunge back, feeling your glutes and legs working. Ooh. And back, lunge forward and back. Let's do 2 more. Lunge forward and lunge back. 1 more. Forward and lunge back and relax it out. Getting into the next move. So it's going to be like a deadlift move but without weight. So what you want to do is to get into position. We shall do this for about a minute. So you want to raise and reach out your foot, your leg and the other leg, alternating. Reach and back, reach and back. Oops. Reach and back, reach and back. Keep breathing. And back and back. Keep going and back and back. Ooh. Feeling those glutes working and back. Reach and back. Reach out and back. Reach out, back. Remember, we are doing this for a minute, so keep going. We have about 5 seconds to go. Keep going. Reach out and back. Reach out and back. Let's just do 1 more per leg. Reach out and back and reach out and back. Well done. Relax it out. Heading on to our next move, and that is going to be squats with a kickback. So beginning straight away, you will squat and kick back and squat and kick back. So squat and back, squat and back. We want to do about 10 per leg. Squat and back. Keep breathing. Come it toward the spine. Squat, back. Squat, back. 2 more per leg remaining. Kick back, squat, and kick back. 1 more per leg, and kick back and squat and kick back. So next you want to give me that squat. Make sure your knees are not going past your toes, and we are going to hold it right there for about 30 seconds. Yeah, very good workout for toning that booty, those legs. I know your legs are on fire right now, but just hold it right there. Keep going, keep moving. We are holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. Well done. You want to stretch out those hamstrings and preparing to get down on our mat for our next moves. And relax it out and get onto the mat. So we are down on the mat, guys, and we are going to begin with glute bridges. So just get down safely onto your mat, get down onto your back, soles of your feet on the ground, and we are going to aim for about 10 to 12 of each rep of these mat exercises. So beginning straight away, tilt in your pelvis and begin lifting off the ground. Hold and back. Keep breathing, hold and back, pulling your tummy towards the spine all the time. Breathe, hold and back, feeling those glute muscles tightening up. Hold and back. Just give me 2 more, 1 more, and come down. And on the last one, you want to get up, and we are going to hold this for about 15 seconds. So feel those abs muscles tucking in, and feel those glutes also tucking in and getting tied up. And you want to hold this while breathing normally for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down slowly. Next, we want to get onto our sides. We are going to move on to side lying leg lifts. So just support your body with your hand, and we are going to begin with one of the legs. Lift it up and back, lift and up as high as you can go. We are going to do about 10 of these, lift and back, using your leg and glute muscles to raise and back. Pull that tummy towards the spine, by the way, so that you keep engaging your abs all the time. Let's do 2 more. Ooh, 1 more. Ooh, and we are going to change to the other leg. Simply rotate around and moving on to the other leg. We shall begin raising with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 1 more, and get up. We want to move on to the last move, and that is going to be hip extensions. So we shall do back and lateral hip extensions. Pull your tummy towards the spine, and we shall begin extending back and to the side. Extend and to the side. We are aiming to do about 10 of these, and to the side. Let's do 2 more, and to the side. Let's do just 1 more. and the other leg. I'll just turn up to the other side. So beginning straight away, lift and to the side, lift and to the side, lift and to the side, using your glutes to raise your leg up to the side, lift and to the side. Let's do 2 more. Lift and back. 1 more. Lift and back. So you want to get into a child's pose, and you are going to hold it right here for about 15 seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you want to get up into the downward facing dog and pull your tummy towards the spine, stretch out your back upwards, and we want to hold this for about 15 seconds as well. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. Next we want to do the rotational stretch. Just get down onto your mat and beginning with the right leg, bring it over towards your chest and stretch it to the side and stretch out your arm as well, pushing your shoulder into the ground, and we are holding this right here, and you can do some ankle rotations while at it as well, holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the other leg. Just bring it towards your body and stretch it out, reach out your hand, and we are going to hold this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you want to get up. We want to stretch out our backs. And stretch out the chest. Ooh, and you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five, of course, if you made it this far with me. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up or a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to connect up with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. Don't forget to subscribe for more and hit that bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.